So let's start with a simple question. Why is there a need to learn or educate ourselves?
I now work for a company as a financial assistant, but I don't have a qualification. So I decided to enroll in business administration level 3 to have a better understanding of business and to gain more skills that will improve my knowledge.
Learning makes us what we are as an individual today. It makes us knowledgeable, it makes us intellectual and goal-oriented.
I am about to graduate and I'm really happy that I have chosen this course. It was one of my best decisions in the last few years.
The world is moving at a faster rate, and there are certain factors that could affect you as an individual or an organization.
When I started this course, I didn't think I will have online classes, but with the pandemic period, I had to do it.
A few examples of professional development are continuing your education. This could be getting a qualification, attending conferences and workshops. This would give you a good chance to network with other people from your industry. Skill-based training and time management. We will be learning more about time management later on in this module.